So one of my favorite pastimes, I guess, is when friends and family, they come in from out of town and, they want to see the sights around where you are. And living here, something I noticed just driving down the road was Southfork Ranch from the TV show Dallas. So I've never been to Southfork Ranch. I knew it was around here, but tell us about, what is Southfork Ranch? I saw that there was a big tent out there. So do you entertain your friends and family when they come to show that place?
I have actually taken people to Southfork Ranch. The first time I went, it was with my mom, and she actually went to high school with Patrick Duffy, so she especially wanted to go. And there's a life-size cutout of him, so she was able to pose next to him and get her picture taken.
That's hilarious.
But then also I've had another friend from high school who was here with her kids for a cheerleading competition, and we met out at Southfork and took the tour. And they've got a great museum, and you can see the actual rooms, and it's still set up the way they used it, so it's a lot of fun.
That's amazing.